My name is Samina Khan and today I'm going to explain you about Sigfox. So what is Sigfox? Sigfox provides a cellular style network operator that provides a tailor-made solution for low throughput Internet of Things and M2M, that is machine to machine applications. The Sigfox network is aimed at providing connectivity for a variety of applications and users. It is not aimed at one area but at being for general use by a variety of different type of users. Sigfox machine-to-machine application areas. Areas where the Sigfox network may be used include home and consumer goods, energy-related communications, in particular smart metering, healthcare, in particular the M-health application that are starting to be developed, transportation, this can include the automotive management, remote monitoring and control, and last one is security. Sigfox audio network Sigfox Radio Access Network. A Sigfox radio link uses unlicensed GSM radio band. The exact frequency can vary according to the national regulations, but in Europe the 868 MHz band is used. In the US it is 915 MHz and 433 MHz in Asia. The overall Sigfox network topology has been designed to provide a scalable, high-capacity network with very low energy consumptions while maintaining a simple and easy to roll out start-based cell infrastructure. There are two types of link in the radio network, that is uplink and downlink. Sigfox operation is based around the use of very narrow bandwidth. The uplink and downlink have different characteristics. Uplink. The uplink bandwidth is just 100 Hz in the European area, although 600 Hz is allowed in the USA, and the modulation scheme is dBPSK, differential binary phase shift key. In European, the uplink frequency availability is limited to frequency between 868 and 868.60 MHz, and the maximum power is limited to 225 MW. Also, the European Union has limited the maximum duty cycles to a maximum mean transmission time of 1% to fairly share the spectrum usage between all the users of this and the other similar communication systems. Downlink. For the downlink, the channel bandwidth is 1.5 kHz and GFSK, Gaussian frequency shift keying, is used as the modulation format. This provides a data rate of 600 Mbps. The downlink frequency band is limited to frequencies between 869.40 and 869.65 MHz. In the case of downlink, the power output is limited to a maximum of 500 with 10% duty cycles. Again, this duty cycle is limited to Sigfox system parameter summary. The parameter for Sigfox systems are signal format, that is ultra narrow band and UNB, a modulation that which has a downlink GFSK and uplink dBPSK. Downlink channel bandwidth is 100 EU. Uplink channel bandwidth is 1.5 kHz. Uplink data rate is 100 bps. Downlink data rate is 600 bps. Efficiency is 0.05 and drop sensitivity unconstrained, and link budget is 156 GB. Conclusion. Sigfox is one of the number of systems that is being deployed to meet the growth demand for M2M and IoT applications. Each of the different systems has its own characteristics, and the size of the market will mean that there is space for several different computing systems.